let's check on your weather with forewarned weather anchor Isabella Fredrickson.
That's right. So the clear skies you just saw at La Paloma, those are going to continue on through the rest of the week. Clear skies we can look forward to, but we are introducing again our monsoon master. Do you have any idea how much it's going to rain this monsoon?
Okay, so I didn't get a chance to, be here last summer, so usually we get maybe an inch of rain over the course of the monsoon, but I'm gonna probably go with that. I'm gonna say maybe an inch.
Yeah, well, I personally was not either, so I am not sure how much rain to expect. So I want to know what you guys think. Details are going to be at our website, KVOA.com, and if you guessed correctly, you are eligible for a prize. So if you haven't yet entered that, be sure to enter. But jumping right into our forecast now, once we hit 7 a.m., we are already going to be at 80 degrees, and that's hot. It's only getting hotter, though. By 3 p.m., we will be down to 111 degrees. Looking at Metro Tucson, again, we're seeing an average of triple digits all across the board, slightly cooler up in Mount Lemmon. So if you want that cooler spot, I would head up to that mountain. Looking a little further out, we will see a couple pockets of cooler weather, both in Cochise County down here. Bisbee's only 95, and again up north, Pine Top is only 82. But for the most part, triple digits all across the board. I mentioned our monsoon master, so taking a look at today's monsoon prediction index, also known as our MPI, we are seeing green and zeros all over, with an exception to Douglas, where we are at a 1. But either way, we are at a low chance of thunderstorms, and we won't be seeing that rain and thunder quite yet. But what we are seeing right now, and you do need to be aware of, is the risk of getting a sunburn. Our UV index today shows that we are at an 11 plus, which is an extreme risk for a sunburn. With that in mind, as well as the excessive heat warning, a couple things to remember to ensure that you beat the heat. Look before you lock. Do not leave a person or a pet in the car. Stay hydrated. If you don't need to be outside, I would not recommend. And if you're thinking of walking your dog, I would reconsider, because whatever it is outside, it's going to be hotter on the floor. Now, we are in an excessive heat warning that is effective now until Tuesday, so that will go into our 4th of July. This entire pink area will be under the warning, with an exception to Cochise County. And that brings us right into our 4th of July forecast. It's going to be triple digits that day, and around 7 p.m., if you're thinking of starting to set up fireworks, be wary, because it's still going to be triple digits by 7 p.m. 102 is what we're looking at. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we have that excessive heat warning from Sunday to Tuesday, and even when that ends, don't think the heat's letting up, because we are still at triple digits the entire rest of the week. It's going to be a hot week, so whatever you have planned for the 4th of July, I would keep that excessive heat warning in mind. Maybe gather with friends or family indoors, stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, but yeah.
I was looking at TikTok the other day. You were saying about the UV index. A lot of people think like, oh yeah, don't wear sunscreen, I'll be fine. But have you ever heard of sun poisoning?
Yeah, that's the thing, and that will happen here.
Blisters,
a lot of heat-related illnesses will be happening. So be careful, dehydration, all that stuff.
Exactly. So, wear your sunscreen, wear your light, loose fit clothing.
Sunscreen, lather up.
Thank you so much.